The fight to decide whether Kinder Morgan is allowed to upgrade an oil pipeline into Burnaby is at a critical stage tonight as the BC government takes the battle into a courtroom. Sinjin Alexander explains how the government is hoping its power to protect the environment is the key to victory.
The government of BC wants to act like a bouncer at a nightclub by screening what people bring in and charging them if they make a mess. Those are pretty much the plans unveiled today in Victoria, except we're not talking about a bar. Instead, control over pipelines, heavy oil, and who ships it through BC.
We believe that the province of British Columbia has every right to protect its citizens, to protect its environment, and to protect its economy.
To give it more muscle, the BC government wants to bring in tougher environmental rules, but it's not sure it has the power, so it's asking the BC Court of Appeal.
In other words, can we do it?
Among the proposed changes, companies who want to ship large amounts of heavy oil must get a hazardous substance permit, provide risk factors to humans and the environment, prove if there's a spill, it can minimize the impact. The company would also have to clean it up and pay compensation.
This has been a giant sham, and it's time for the NDP to be called to account for it.
The opposition says the government is making a fool of British Columbians.
Rather than implement the legislation and pick a fight, we're going to go and test that at a court of law.
A ruling that could take months. Alberta is already swinging back, vowing to fight what it calls legal silliness.